Welcome back to Musings. I'm Kathy, and this is the place where I share a little wisdom from the other side of the empty nest. Here, I talk about faith, simplicity, and what it means to live intentionally in our senior years. So whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just looking for a slower, more meaningful pace, you're in good company here. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's chat about what really matters. So I'm going to be upfront here. This message isn't so much for us women in our senior years. However, it could be really helpful if you're having a hard time starting to declutter. But I know at this stage of life, for me, decluttering is so much simpler because it's just me, my husband, and our 2 pups. The kids are grown, the house is quieter, and most of all, I have time. But for young moms, whether you're staying home with little ones, homeschooling, or working outside the home, decluttering can feel like a mountain, and you don't have the energy to climb it. Honestly, I don't blame you if you roll your eyes when I start talking about decluttering and organizing our homes. But here's the thing. It really does make life more manageable. It is so worth doing because it can help your budget, protect your sanity, and free up precious time to enjoy those kiddos while they're still at home. Because one day your house will be quiet like mine is now, and you'll want to know you made space to enjoy those years. So let's walk through 5 of maybe the biggest reasons decluttering feels impossible and how to take the pressure off. Number 1, overwhelm. When you look at the whole house, it's paralyzing. Instead, shrink it down. Focus on one drawer, one shelf, or one toy basket. And that's it. Celebrate the small victories because they add up. Number 2, sentimental attachment. And this is geared towards the moms, but it'll help with seniors who are having trouble decluttering too. Baby clothes, school papers, gifts from family, it's hard to let go, but the memory isn't in the item. It's in your heart. Keep 1 or 2 special things. Take photos of the rest and let them go. I know that sounds easy. Number 3, perfectionism. We wait for the perfect system, the perfect plan, or the perfect moment. But the truth is, there's no such thing. Progress matters more than perfection. I know you've heard that before. Even 5 minutes of messy progress is a win. Number 4, fear of regret. That what if I need this someday thought will keep you stuck. Try the 30-day box. Put things in, set them aside, and if you don't reach for them in a month, it's safe to donate. I have one going right now in my basement, and it's been a few months, and it's time for me to go donate. Number 5, decision fatigue. Moms already make hundreds of choices every day. Decluttering adds more. To ease the load, batch your decisions. Gather all the water bottles or all the towels and decide how many you actually use, and then release the extras. So here's some closing encouragement. Decluttering doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be done at once. And this is your home. Don't compare it to anybody else. It's about creating breathing room for your home, your mind, and your family. Even small steps will free up time and energy to enjoy the moments that really matter. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless you. And if you're ever walking through one of life's messier seasons and need a little hope and truth, check out my other podcast, The Redeemed Mess. It's all about how Jesus meets us in the mess and makes something beautiful out of it. You can find it wherever you listen to podcasts. As always, take care.